In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover your FC Mobile account step by step. If you lost access to your original team or accidentally logged out, don't worry. There are two reliable methods you can use to get everything back. First, open the FC Mobile app. The game will ask you to create a temporary or throwaway account. Go ahead and create it. This is just a base profile, so you can reach the settings menu. Once you're inside the game, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. This opens your settings. Now, if you previously linked your old FC Mobile account, you should immediately see a present icon or a link indicator showing your account is saved somewhere. But what we want is the link accounts option. Tap that. Inside this menu, you'll see all the available login methods: Game Center, Facebook, and EA account. If your old FC Mobile progress was connected to any of these platforms, simply tap the correct one and log in. Once you sign in, the game will automatically load your old account data. For many people, this is the fastest way to restore everything. Now, if logging in didn't work or you can't remember which platform you used, there's a second method: contacting EA support directly through the app. So again, tap the gear icon, but this time scroll down until you see customer service. Tap it. Inside the help section, use the search bar and type recover. You'll see an article called "How do I recover lost game progress?" Open it and read through the instructions. It explains what info you need and how the recovery process works. If following those steps still doesn't bring your account back, scroll to the bottom and tap chat with us. This will connect you to EA support. Once the chat window opens, select manage my account as the help category. Then type something like lost account in the description box. When it asks whether the article helped, choose no, so the system sends you to a support representative. The bot will then show you a list of reasons. Choose the option that fits your situation. For example, other if none of the preset categories match. After that, you'll be asked several questions about your old account, such as your username, device type, approximate level, and when you last played. Fill them out honestly and accurately. This information helps the support team verify that the account really belongs to you. Once EA support confirms your identity, they will manually restore your FC Mobile account and link it to your current device. This is the final and guaranteed method if nothing else worked. And that's how you recover your account in FC Mobile: team, your coins, and your progress. If it helped you, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one. Happy gaming.